Hi, my name is Broto Suseno. Thank you for your interest in this topic. In another video, I showed how to build an audio player using Lazarus. Now, using the same Windows Media Player engine, I'll demonstrate how to create a simple video player. I have prepared a new Lazarus application with some basic controls. So we copy the already imported Windows Media Player type library unit to the project folder and add it using Project Inspector. Like this. The most important control is a T panel, which will serve as our video display area. Inside display panel, we place an ActiveX container and we set its align property to client. In the forms unit, add the TLB to the interface section. Then we declare a nav player with type TEVS Windows Media Player and two more variable to track playing progress. We create the F player instance in the forms on create event. As the form the parameter for the owner, so we don't need to destroy the object manually. Then we set the UI mode to none and then set stretch to fit to true, auto start to false. Now we embed the F player to the ActiveX container and activate it. We also initialize the two variables for tracking playing progress. Then we declare two routines, one procedure and one function. The procedure is to update the interface and then the function to format a duration text. Let's implement them. We leave the update menu items procedure to blank for now. Then we can code this duration formatting like that. In the button open click, we will do the opening file. we using the dialog to open the file or select the file, and then make sure we close the previously loaded file and reset the playback position. Once loaded, the player provides several metadata properties. For this app, we'll read the duration, which is measured in second as double. We'll convert it to integer for simplicity. And we assign the media to the player, and then we can set the progress bar and display the duration. Button play start playback and enables the progress timer. Just call the play of the controls, waits for a few seconds to get the play state, and then enable the timer progress. So we update the interface to the button pause. On click, we will do two action according to the state. That is, we're going to pause the playing when the current state is currently playing, and then set the text to resume. But if the player play state is not playing, means it is being paused. So we can click the button play through code, and then set the button pause caption to pause. Next, the button stop. We're going to stop the playback completely. And stop the timer progress. Set the progress bar position, and then set the position text, and of course update the interface. We track the playing progress with timer progress, TMR progress, and set initially disabled, and then the interval is 500 milliseconds. When the event is fired, we set the timer to stop first, then we check if it is enabled to pause, then it means it is playing. We can read the current position and then display it on the interface. But we also detect when the playing reach the end of the media, so we can turn off or still turn on. If playing position still less than the playing duration, we can continue. If the timer progress not enabled, we can reset the interface and the state of the position. In the forms on show event, we can update the interface for the first time. Let's circle back to the update menu items procedure logic. Here we are. We set the playback's availability by detecting the current media is nil or not, and then playing duration is bigger than playing position. But button pause enabled when it can be played, and the status is either playing or pause. Then we also detect or set the availability of the progress following the button play availability, and then the timer also we can set from this place by detecting the play state. Okay, I think the player's code is complete. Now we can run the application. Let's select a video file. It is an MP4 file. Any format supported by Windows Media Player will work. Duration is on, perfect, and can play it. Okay, the video is playing. Pause it. It is paused. Resume playback. Great. And stop. Now let's try an MKV maybe. This is an MKV file. Okay. Great. The duration is updated. Let's try to play.
Find my purpose in life. So the question I've been holding is what purpose?
Pause. Resume. Stop. Everything works smoothly. Our video player is functional and reliable. I hope this inspires you to build more advanced video player with Lazarus. Feel free to ask questions or start a discussion in the comments below. Thank you for watching.